Hey guys, so we are in the car. We're on our way to Walmart right now. We're gonna go buy supplies for our video today. Xander's not currently with me because he's playing with his friends, but I'm with my mommy, who doesn't want to be the shot. I'm with my mom, and we are gonna go get supplies and then go back to the house and start the video. Hey guys, so we're here at Walmart buying all the things we need. We're going to be making slime today. So we're gonna go purchase all of these and then we're gonna go pick up my brother at his friend's house. See you in a little bit. Hey guys! I'm Andrea.
I'm Xander.
And we are Sibling Wars. Okay, so Xander is back from his friend's house, so we're gonna start. We're making
Galaxy Star.
Okay, so you have to pour. You want to do all the colors? Okay, so let's pour
Galaxy.
half of this into yours.
That looks like a. Okay, yeah. Sound like
that's
an
half?
airplane.
I
Yes.
can't even. And then
Air turner.
it's not working. We have to make one of each color though, so we can mix them
Yeah.
together, because that's what the measurements say on there. This is taking forever. It makes funny noise.
It sounds like a beat.
Okay.
Oh
That's
yeah, and comment down below who's gonna win on
I'm
football.
obviously gonna win. Oh, I thought you were talking about us football.
Yeah,
He is worried about the Super Bowl.
comment down below who's gonna win today.
They're all trash.
Better than you.
Anyways. Now this much baking soda.
Baking soda.
Bacon. We baking cookies. Here.
Here.
Here you go. Then mix it. Ew. It looks funny.
Mixing.
Oh,
It's so gooey.
but there's like nothing in it yet. It's
Yes.
just glue and like baking soda.
It smells
Oh.
like nail polish. It literally smells like nail
this.
polish.
What's it say on here? Now we're gonna add 1 1/4 tablespoon of contact lens solution. Lens. That's a weird word.
That's good.
That's 1 tablespoon. And this is 1/4. Hopefully those measurements are right because I know nothing of baking. So I don't even know if these are tablespoons, but we're just gonna hope.
Here, I wanna.
They're watery.
Here.
Here, you can do this one. And then mix again until it looks like slime. Oh, mine's already forming. And then we have to do the next color. Let me take my rings off because I'm not trying to get them dirty. That was so
Is that
fast.
good? Is that good?
Yeah. Now just dump it in. Ooh, look.
Now.
Oh, it's sticky.
And frappe.
And then you're supposed to mix it with your
Oh wow!
hands, like knead it.
Oh, yep. Mine is forming. Pretty.
That was so easy.
Right? Like,
But it's so sticky. I think we need more. What
You can
happens
touch
if
it?
it's sticky? Yeah. Because you're supposed to knead it. And then, yeah. Ooh. Take it out. You gotta knead it until it's not sticky anymore. Hey guys, so we just finished the blue one, and it looks really great. Like, it feels really good, guys.
Look at it.
So now we're gonna make a pink one, then a purple one, and then mix them all together. So let's pour half of it.
And then we mix it all together. we're gonna put
Yeah, we're probably gonna put both of our mixtures together.
both of them. Like, this is gonna be pretty. Why are you doing mine like bread?
Because mine was like that last time, so now it's your turn.
Do we just dump the slime in like that?
No, just leave the slime over there. Don't mix it with mine. Yeah, leave it over there so we can make the pink one. And now we just repeat the same steps over. We do.
I want to.
You go first. Go ahead.
Ladies
A
first.
not a tablespoon. Half a tablespoon of baking soda. And then 1 1/4 tablespoons of the contact solution.
There you go.
Thank you. You want to start the mix it. I was gonna say you want to put more, but I really didn't think this was gonna work. I was like, only 3 ingredients. This is not gonna work. This is not going to work, but it worked. And it worked really well. Like I made a lot of slimes before with my friends, and they have not come out the best. So when my mom was like, let's make a slime video, I was like, that's gonna be a fail. But it wasn't. It was great. Okay, now the contact solution. Here.
Alright, my turn. Here you go. Thank you. This one, right?
It's so sticky when you first mix it though. Like when you first like try to get your hands all up in there, it is so sticky, guys.
I just squirted it at my hand. Instead of the, here, I'm gonna, yeah, like that.
Yeah, that thing squirts a lot. So we just finished the pink one. They came out a little small the first time, but it's probably because we didn't use enough glue. So we made like 2 batches of pink and then mixed them together to make a bigger one. So it would look around the same size as the blue one. Now, I've already pre-started my purple one. So I'm just going to keep mixing that, and Xander's going to do the rest of the purple. And then we're going to mix all of the colors together to make our, what's it called? Galaxy slime. It's so sticky.
Okay, so the purple one that I did, I forgot to put that, and now it's all sticking to my hands.
So we put it on his hands and it started burning, but that's not my problem. I finished my purple one. So I have my pink, blue, and purple. I'm going to wait for him because I'm a nice person. And then we're going to mix them all together. So we have made you can talk too. We have made all 3 of our slimes. And now we're going to mix them all together. Put yours together, one on top of the other, and mix them to make our galaxy colored slime. Whoa, that was fast. It's already galaxy colored. This was so great. I highly recommend you get this kit. It only comes with the glue, but I mean, it tells you everything you need and everything you need to do. Walmart, this is not sponsored. You owe me money. But anyway, with that said, like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Sibling Wars.